How to order STC uniforms. It is very important to order your STC uniforms well before your start date because shipping time often exceeds 4 weeks. Here we will navigate to the STC bookstore website. Once there, you will immediately see on the home screen the academic school year, and you will begin by selecting Level 1 in the drop-down. Here we will use Business and IT as an example. After that, select Level 2 and choose the program you are enrolled in. Here we will look at Accounting as an example. Now select your course that you will begin at STC. New students to programs here at STC will typically begin with OCP-A. You will have an option to either save the course or see the course items right now. Let's see the course items. Remember, for high school dual-enrolled students, you are only interested in ordering uniforms early due to length of shipping times. But if you like, you can certainly add other listed items to your order. High school students never need to purchase books, as they will be provided to you once on campus. On this page, note that there are 2 uniforms available. One is optional and one is required. Look at the item that is required, and before selecting it, click on the drop-down area as shown here to choose your size. As an example, we will choose a large. Please note, uniform items are non-returnable. Now click Add to Cart. When you are ready to check out, go to the top of the screen to select your cart and choose View Cart or Checkout Now. Once at the checkout screen, if you created an account earlier, you can log in or you can check out as a guest. We will check out as a guest here. You must enter an email address. Then select your shipping method and your payment, and you are good to go. Don't delay. Order your STC uniform today.